This class we are going to see about the fertilization and implantation. Fertilization. Fusion of haploid sperm with the haploid ovum form a fertilized egg, a diploid zygote. It begins with the contact between the sperm and ovum, end up with intermingling of the maternal and paternal chromosome. What are the events it will be seen in the fertilization? Okay, the events of fertilization is the first one, the sperm deposited in the female reproductive tract undergoes capacitation, which is the biochemical events that enable the sperm to penetrate the egg. Then fertilization occurs only if the ovum and sperm are transported simultaneously to the ambulary isthmic junction of the fallopian tube. Before a sperm can enter the egg, it must penetrate the layer of granulosa of the which is around the ovum, forming a corona radiata. The follicular cells are held together by a adhesive cementing substance is called hyaluronic acid. The acrosomal membrane disintegrates, releasing the proteolytic enzyme. The enzyme is hyaluronidase. During the sperm entry through the coronaria and zona pellucida is called chromosomal reaction. Once fertilization is accomplished, cortical granules form a cytoplasm of the ovum. Barrier is called the ovum fertilization membrane. Around the ovum penetrate further penetration of the sperms. Okay, many sperms it will be fuse the egg, it will be called the polyspermy. It prevent the polyspermy. So the given picture it will be explain the events of fertilization. Okay, so the first one, sperm make contact with the egg cell. Second one, acrosome react with the zona pellucida. Third one, acrosome react with the perivital space. Fourth one, plasma membrane of the sperm and egg fuses. Fifth one, sperm nucleus enter into the egg cell. Sixth one, cortical granule fuses and form the fertilization membrane. The given picture is passage of growing embryo through the fallopian tube from zygote to blastocyst stages. Formation of zygote to blastocyst and embryo implantation. The fast cleavage of the zygote produces two identical cells called blastomere. These produce 4 cells, then 8 cells, so on. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, like that. After 72 hours of the fertilization, a loose collection of cells form a berry-shaped cluster of 16 or more cells called the morula. Influence of progesterone, smooth muscles of fallopian tube relax, move to the dividing embryo, takes 4 to 5 days, then through the fallopian tube into the uterine cavity and finally get implanted into the uterine wall. At this point, the embryo consists of fluid-filled hollow ball of about 100 cells called blastocyst. It is composed of single layer of large flattened cells called tropoplast and smaller cluster of 20 to 30 rounded cells called inner cell mass. The inner cell mass of blastocyte develop into the embryo and become embedded in the endometrium of the uterus. This process is called the implantation and it results in the pregnancy. The given picture is the embryonical developmental stage. Fertilized egg, first cleavage 2 cells and second cleavage 4 cells, third cleavage 8, fourth cleavage, many cleavages followed by morula, next stage blastula next stage glastula, and finally embryo. Ectopic pregnancy. It means implantation outside of the uterus. 95% of the ectopic pregnancy occur in uterine tube. The growth of the embryo may causes internal bleeding, infection, and in some cases even death due to the rupture of fallopian tube. The first picture it will be given normal pregnancy. It is implantation is occur in uterus. But second one ectopic pregnancy, the implantation of the fetus it will be in the fallopian tube.